Good morning, all my dear students. As in class 5 EVS lesson number 3 in natural balance, we have already almost finished the whole lesson. We have discussed a lot of important points or topics from the same, such as food for plants. In the topic of food for plants, we have discussed about photosynthesis, the process by which green plants make their food in the presence of chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Then we have discussed about parasitic plants that obtain nutrition by growing on other plants. Then carnivores or insectivorous plants. Then we have discussed the topic of food for animals, where we have discussed about where I explained you about herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and decomposers. Now, herbivores are the animals who feed only on plants, such as cow, deer, elephant, and goat are herbivores. In the same way, carnivores, animals who feed on other animals, are called carnivores. They depend indirectly on plants for their food. Lion, tigers, leopards, and wolves are called carnivores. Then omnivores, animals who feed on both plants and animals, are called omnivores, such as crows, cockroaches, and bears are omnivores. Then it comes scavengers. Some animals help us to keep the environment clean by eating dead animals, such as hyenas, vultures, crows. Then decomposers. About decomposers, some organisms obtain their food by consuming dead and decaying plants and animals. They are decomposers, such as bacteria, fungi, earthworm. I have shown you some of the important pictures from the same. Now, about then we have discussed about food chain and food web. Now, today, as I told you in the last class, we will be doing few fill in the blanks, true, false, and name the following. So, as you can see in the picture, fill in the blanks with the correct options or answers. Multiple choice answers are already given, so you have to choose one of the correct answer to fill in the blanks. The first question is dash are called producers: herbivores, bacteria, omnivores, green plants. So you have to choose the correct option from the given below. Then the second question is plants absorb energy from sunlight with the help of. So plant, as I have already discussed you the topic of photosynthesis, where I have explained you everything, that plant absorb energy from sunlight with the help of dash. So you have to choose the correct answer from the given options, such as stomata, oxygen, chlorophyll, and water. In the next picture, as you can see, question number 3 is all about a dash is an omnivore. So which is an omnivore? Number A is tiger, number B is snake, number C is bear, number D is sheep. So you have to choose the correct. The fourth one is dash help to recycle nutrients into the nature. So which helps to recycle the nutrient in the nature? Producers, decomposers, carnivores, scavengers. Fifth one is animals that eat dead animals are called dash: decomposer, producer, consumer, and scavengers. So these are the fill the blanks with the correct answers to. So I want all of you students to try this out. So I want you to do with your own. The next question is name the following. Now here you have to name the following, such as in the first question you have to name two herbivores. In the second question you have to name two parasitic plants. Third is two carnivorous plant. Fourth is two omnivores, and the fifth is two carnivores. Here you have to name two of each. In the next question, as you can see, write T for true and F for false. The first one is crows and vulture are scavengers, so you have to write whether these are true or false. The second is in a food chain the energy comes from plant. The third is producers are at the end of the food chain. Fourth is plants do not make their own food. Fifth is carnivorous plants digest their prey using enzymes. So I want all of you to try these things in your home with your own. So with this I am ending this class here. In the next class we will be discussing all the 5 question answer from the textbooks. Till then, thank you.